Okay, so today we had a gap up here and a tight consolidation. This is called neutral reversal pattern with support at day's open price. Then initially rally resistance at pivot point, then support at US cash open price. Broke out of pivot point, initial resistance at 200, support not clear but held support here and then continuation to the upside. Let's see if this now can go up to yesterday's initial balance low or even up to 300 and being retested and then reverse. So let's see how this will play out. I scaled out most of my position for the momentum trade. Let's see now if this can go up to 50s and then 75s and then 96s to fill my last two targets. If you would like to put this into perspective on the daily here, we just had yesterday a very big sell-off and support at 200 daily moving average. Now we held support above this week's high 170. Let's see if this is gonna hold for the day. And during the ECB conference, if we spike up to 430s or even higher, depends what any new quantitative easing announcement, or if ECB is going to disappoint the market and we're just gonna sell off down to 11,000. Limited trading until then. Okay, so I closed the long position, open and short position here against the initial balance low of yesterday. Let's see now if price can pull back to 200, which I will close my short position and then I will try to buy it back there. Otherwise, this will just be a consolidation. Okay, so we had a fake out move here above the initial balance low of yesterday and today's initial balance high. Let's see now if price is going to retest 200s. I sorted here for the momentum trade at 48. So let's see, I have my target here. I'm willing to hold the rest of the position for lower, but then we'll see how this will play out here. Okay, so price broke out initial balance high of today and yesterday's initial balance low, which coincide. Now I bought here for a continuation rally up to 300. Let's see how this will play out. Or if we go even higher than 300s, euro dollar is collapsing at the moment, which helped the index. So let's see. Okay, so price rallied up to 300s. Now I shorted here against. Let's see if we have a pullback at initial balance high or even 200, which coincides with equilibrium line, or if this is just gonna retest 300s and rally even higher. This could be probably my last trade. If it continues works, I will hold it. So let's see a little bit, a few minutes before the ECB conference. Target filled. Okay, so I closed the short position for a small profit. I opened a small position of one lot.
This is Project Family of Trade Station. I hope everybody enjoyed.
For a potential breakout, let's see if this did break out. Let's see how far can this go. Could be an acceleration up to initially 350s here. Then I would like to hold this one lot for the longer term until the ECB, because we have a strong early optimism. Let's see if this cautious optimism will hold until the ECB or even later after. Okay, so price initially broke out 300. Let's see if that was just a fake out. I sorted here against 308. Let's see if price can hold below 300 and then eventually go even lower, or if this is just gonna rally back above and go higher to continue the trend. Okay, so we had some news about Russia saying that change in OPEC oil extraction not expected, so I sorted here. We'll see immediately sell off. Let's see how down can this go, if it will find support here at 260s. Immediately selling off. Let's take some off here. Half the position. Let's leave the rest of the position for as low as possible for the rest of the day, really. If this doesn't rebound and this doesn't happen, then I would like to hold this short for even 200s retest and then even lower. Okay, so price rebounded immediately almost all the position. I shorted just one lot here for a possible continuation to the downside. Otherwise, I will just close it for 300 just to see how fast everything changes. You need to be quick, you need to be nimble, and then trade what you see, not what you think. So if I was shorting down there, of course I would have lost a lot of profit. So instead of doing that, I'll just solve for the momentum. Price went down, I closed it, I closed the last lot here, and then I shorted one more lot here. So let's see if we have a continuation to the downside. So we can see a constant failure here above 300. Let's watch this level for ECB press conference for a possible, if they are dovish, for a possible breakout momentum trade from 300 up to 400. But again, we'll see here at these levels if price sells back down and I will buy it for a rally. We'll see. It will depend on the price action and on the commentary. Okay, so we have a leak here. The rate announced before it's 45, now collapsing. Let's see if I can buy it here.
Order filled. Order filled.
This is very, very bad news, very disappointing market news.
Order filled. Order pending.
Let's see if we found support here in reverse or if we just collapse further downside. I bought here for this reversal. Very good trade. Immediately spike. Let's see now if this support can hold up and break out 300 or even higher. I'm not really aware of the news. Out of 53 analyst estimates, out of 53 analysts unchanged 24 basis. Okay. So let's see. What matters is price. Let's see if this can be held now for a further upside, otherwise I will just try to short it here. So they didn't actually change any rate. Let's see if market is gonna collapse now.
Minutes time, we do have the latest ECB rate decision.
I shorted here.
In terms of the way I'll call it, I will lead with the deposit
Big
rate.
shorts here.
This has been the core focus of markets over the past few weeks and months since that previous ECB Draghi President's conference.
Let's see how much down can this go.
But a cut to the rate is a changed.
Okay, so I bought here at the dip. Let's see if now initial balance low and days open price can hold the index up. Kind of difficult trading at the moment, but then you need to focus on the main levels. The main levels work.
Again, just to recap, deposit rate is expected.
Let's see if now it can go up to 300 or if it's just gonna collapse further downside. So I bought here for a potential breakout and a rally up to initial balance high and 300s. Let's scale out some during the uptrend.
Order pending. Order pending. Order pending.
Euro dollar spiked aggressively up.
Markets are seeing a bit of volatility now creep through into the euro currency. Again, this is ahead of the release. Markets just positioning themselves rather. Just a bit of volatility going through, a little bit of upside in the euro currency. But again, no official announcement on the rates has been made.
Close the whole position. Let's see how this will play out. I'm just trying to catch momentum to the upside.
Order pending. Order pending. Order pending.
Let's see how far up can this go.
Order filled.
Okay, so there is no official release. Let's see if this was just a fake move and how we trade it accordingly.
Order filled.
Let's see this buyer here at 26 if he tried to hold the market up. Yes.
Just to bring it to your attention, there's currently just an FT article going around just saying the ECB have left rates unchanged in a surprising decision. It's again no official release, but just an FT piece doing the rounds saying the ECB have left rates unchanged in a surprising decision. This would be reflective of
immediately spiked up. Let's see now the official release.
Again, no official releases, could just be a mistake by the FT here. This has been published 4 minutes ago from the FT, just saying the ECB have left rates unchanged.
If it's gonna cut, it's gonna spike very hard.
Now being run on Bloomberg. Again, everyone just citing FT at the moment, who are suggesting the ECB have left rates unchanged in a shock decision.
Okay, so they left the rate at unchanged. Facility, they cut the deposit facility rate by 10 basis points. Let's see now if markets will collapse. Just to see at these volatile markets, at volatile times, how well these levels working. Nothing exceeded these levels. If any reason to exceed these levels would be a massive breakout. So let's see at the ECB conference. Okay, let's see here a lot of noise, but let's see here at 200 if price tries to break it out to the upside. At the moment we'll held support here at above days open price and initial balance low of the day. Let's see if price can manage to hold above here and then rallies higher, or if this is just gonna be a continuation to the downside. Okay, so slow price action at the moment, but clear levels are bought here against days open price and initial balance low. Let's see if price can go up to 200 initially and then even break it out on good quantitative easy news from Draghi. I would like to hold this position if it's possible for a big upside move up to 400, if of course the circumstances helps and this doesn't collapse to the downside. If it tries to retest here, I will just short it for the momentum breakdown.
Is due to kick off.
Okay, so I sorted here for a momentum breakdown. Let's see if this support now can hold us and rally back up.
Get too sidetracked today.
Quick decisions here. I saw support with massive volume spikes above 1000 at 100. Let's see now if this can hold us up and rally initially at these levels. I'm scaling out the position accordingly. So I would like this support to hold for the rest of the day, let's say, be optimistic, and price even rally aggressively on new announced measures from Draghi, but then we need to see how it will behave at this level right here.
Order filled.
So let's see this here on the daily. We just touched again 200 daily moving average. This is very good point to go long, but let's see how this will develop. At the moment we have a very big day in terms of range. Let's see if price can go back above and then tries to even break out and goes even higher from last week's high. Let's see, it will depend on what Draghi will say. At the moment this support here at 100 worked more than perfectly. Let's see now if we have a breakout of days open price and initial balance low. See how well these levels work. See here the resistance at 200. I tried to buy it there for a potential breakout, which didn't happen. So let's see now if this can go up to retest all these levels I use every day, and then 300s, and then even higher if we have very big news. Okay, so let's get the party started here with Draghi. He's just gonna take a seat. Let's see now if he delivers immediately about quantitative easing and we have a rally, or if the disappointment will continue and we have a lower low. Okay, so we had an early disappointment here because of the size of quantitative easing. They just extend the length. Let's see here if this support at 900 will hold for the rest of the day, or if we're just gonna sell off hard again. Okay, so big sell off here, very big. Let's see if this kind of support here will provide with a 11,000 retest and then even higher, or if 11,000 will be the top of this rebound and then we'll have a lower low. Draghi disappointing the market at the moment, it seems, but let's see how price will play out. Let's see now if this support at 800 will hold. I'm building now a swing long position for 11,000 retest today or tomorrow or next week. Let's see how up can this go, if it will just continue collapsing. Okay, let's see the scale here on the daily. We just found support here at 61.8% fib from August sell off here. Let's see now if this could be a very good long opportunity for longer term, I mean for a couple of weeks. if you try to build a long position as I do here, swing long position, not intraday, this could be very good place to buy, level to buy. Let's see how this will go the next days. Okay, so that support at 1000 is very well held. Let's see here if this 900 support looks like held have a retest up to 11,000 or even higher at 100. Let's see if we have a complete reversal of this sell-off.
Fiscal policy, and
so price
the role of
traded sideways here and pulled back here at 900. Perfect support here to add to your long position if you of course trading long. Let's see now if we can go up to 11,000 or even higher during the European cash market open. This initial support held very good, then pullback, then support. Let's see if this kind of formation will happen and will go back where we started. Okay, so the conference finished. What a sell-off and a rebound here. Very good support here, support and the rebound. Let's see if this kind of support now the US cash open will hold us and lead us up to 11,000 or even higher at 100 for a complete reversal, or if 11,000 proves to be a short opportunity. Let's see. So price pull back down. Let's see if this support here at 900 will hold again, or if it fails and we have a leg lower for a day's low retest. Okay, so we had worse than expected ISM manufacturing PMI data. Let's see now how this will play out if we go down to 800 or even retest previous low and hold support there and then back up, or if it's just gonna consolidate sideways. So SPY retested and broke down initial 207 previous low, now held support and rallies back up to 2070. Let's see if SPY can be able to retest 208 and then break it out for more upside. Then this could be very good, let's say previous low retest for DAX, but again this can go down to 800 or even lower and being retested, and then we'll see which scenario will place down. Okay, so we have a range between 900s and 800s. 823 is basically, which is a very good level if you can see here from past weeks. Let's see now if DAX can go up to 900s and break it out at the last 30 minutes of European cash close, before the European cash close. SPY just broke out 208s and looking for an upside. To me, this kind of pattern here looks like we are bottoming. We had an initial rally and then we are in a bottom formation. This is what I look for now, is for a breakout above 900 and then 11,000. This could of course happen after the European cash close, so let's see if this is going to play out. Okay, so price failed to break out to new highs and held perfect resistance here at 888.50s. Let's see now if this can hold the index at 800 for a possible rally. Otherwise this will just be a retest of previous low and then we'll see which side will go. Let's see again here the daily chart. We kind of faked out here on the daily on this week's high. Let's see now how this will hold during tomorrow, of course with the non-farm payrolls, and then the whole next week. If this can be a range between this kind of levels here, 700 and 11,000, this could be a very good long opportunity. But again, we'll see how market will react. So you can check out how trade non-farm payrolls from my previous month trading, so you can be more prepared for tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and I hope you got it very well today, but it was kind of difficult of course. So let's see how this will play out. Thanks for watching again.